guys want much we do never have I ever challenge part 2.
But first, can I say something? So we can't flash this challenge, just
Part 2.
two, because the other one ended at a very bad time. So this is to be continued.
Poke, 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 poke.
I'm gonna poke you.
Just poke your bellions.
Now, do not check out Smelly Belly's channel.
Smelly
They
Belly
call-
TV.
Yeah, do not check out her channel. She is stupid.
Her channel.
Yeah, her
Okay,
channel.
let's just start.
Yeah,
So,
she calls you
never-
Smelly Belly.
not her, there's loads of them. Never have I ever killed an animal. I have never.
I've never. We've done it by accident.
Like
So-
when you step on one.
By accident when you don't see it. So yeah,
When you step on ants, like everyone kills an ant because you step on them by accident.
you step. Everyone's at least stepped on 100 ants in their life.
So, sounds fun.
So never have I ever.
So I'm getting the camera.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever.
You need to have one ready in your head.
Never have I ever scoffed my face with chocolate fudge cake. Everyone knows this.
I have never. No.
Everyone knows I have.
Or I've got one. Never have I ever smashed an iPad with man. Never have
Or the one
I
with-
ever smashed an iPad.
Well, I've smashed a screen protector, so I sort of have.
I have never. My iPad is precious.
Well, I smashed a screen protector, but my
It's
iPad's fine.
precious.
And the iPad we're filming on right now, which is mine.
This is an iPad mini, it's mine.
Yeah, and so I sort of have, because I've smashed the screen protector by dropping my iPad. But
Sam's turn.
okay.
I'm going to get one ready.
Never have I ever.
They can't see me, right? Oh, damn it, they can see me up there. Oh, well.
Never have I ever threw a paper plate in the air.
I have.
I have, because I just did. I have.
Can they see me? Okay. I've got one straight away.
Okay, you got your little pet.
Come, my little baby.
Oops, oops, oops.
Where's my plate?
Weird.
Where's my paper plate?
I don't know.
That's it here.
It's almost in the bin.
Half not mine. Where's my paper plate?
Maybe you're sitting on it. No, you're not.
Okay. Never have I ever killed an adult. Never have I ever. Sam, no. Never have I ever hurt an adorable gerbil.
Where is it? Here we go.
No. I have never.
I have never.
No, we love gerbils. I have never. Popcorn?
Me.
This is popcorn.
Yeah, that's pop.
Look, I have never.
That's her one. I've got one in my room, and then my brother does. But we can't show his face.
Sam, don't say that.
But we can show.
He's not even here. He's at school.
Oh yeah, he's at school.
So what the hell? So Popcorn's going to say bye, and in a snap, he'll be gone.
Ready?
Bye, everyone. Bye.
Ready?
Snap. And guess what?
I'm gone.
He's gone.
Okay. Never have I ever broke something.
What do you think?
Oh
yes.
Yes.
Can you hold my thing up a sec?
Yeah.
Because I just need to show them.
We both have.
Well, I haven't broke it, but it keeps
broke
falling.
something on your body.
No, I've never broke my arm.
Well, I have actually, because I've broke my chin.
Well, he's cracked his chin open, but he hasn't broken anything, but I have broken nothing.
Yeah, because that breaks your bone.
Whoa!
Whoa! That breaks your bone. Because you have bone, so I did.
And in a snap, guys, whenever I snip and Sam do that, in a snap, I'll be having a seahorse in my hand. 3, 2, 1. It's here. And in a snap, because we're just going to do a fun little game for a bit. In a snap, I will have an owl. Got one. And Sam had a seahorse. No, it doesn't go there. Sam, pass it. I don't want this going on YouTube if you do that. And in the snap, there will be a toothbrush. In the snap, there'll be a toothbrush. 3, 2, 1, boop. Magic. In a snap, there will be a baby owl. 3, 2, 1.
It's not that magic.
3, 2, 1's going to be a baby owl. 3, 2, 1. Whoops, that was our creaky floorboard. And it sounds like a fun. When you go like this.
No.
Stop squeaking my bed. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys about my floorboards.
No, it's not the floorboards.
So we'll be back with you for part 3.